that starts with nothing but a holodeck. Taking all on the trail of a fucking trek, 7 all in the line, great check, full of turns to the universe at a madness, breaking the neck. So you took the Grand Master of all things, running first, then crawling when the turner things. It's not over till the choir sings, and there's no sign of the king, and so we pause until we sink on the sidelines. Too many aces on the first set, same rhymes. Who could be sitting out, reading instead we drop dead to the solid blue inside our heads. Oh, I'm sorry, there's no space and at your own pace. There'll be no grace sitting on a master race. You got a criminal face, still the diamonds on a trace, and your mind turns on the lace when the outbreak. Reckoning, hail to the jester, queen and king. Staying on the line, all the time, practicing genocide is what we bring. Reckoning, hail to the jester, queen and king. Staying on the line, all the time, practicing genocide is what we bring. Be mean and try. You're the only case left to dry. And if you want to wear, couldn't care. This is more than just a dare, but to gamble from your 5 and fly. So if the 7 to 6, yet the 5 we never fix, and then you're better off counting all the stones and sticks. Now cry for me, weep for me. On a sanctity and destiny for water. Pause for your patience. For this joker's laughing at your homicidal cadence. There's plenty more left to fall down all around, but you're uncovering falsified ground. No switching if you haven't yet noticed you're a lost cause, but I can't force you alone this core. You can always keep trying, but you tell yourself you're lying to the light transform your course, and yet you're reckoning, hail to the jester, queen and king. Staying on the line, all the time, practicing genocide is what we bring. Reckoning, hail to the jester, queen and king. Staying on the line, all the time, practicing genocide is what we bring. Time, your deck's got a testy home hate. Never said you could read out the cage. Or say it was stuck in a minefield all in your head. Heading back, easy engaged. Reckoning, hail to the jester, queen and king. Staying on the line, all the time, practicing genocide is what we bring. Hail to the jester, queen and king. All the time, practicing genocide is what we are. Stepping on the line, swimming all the time, practicing genocide is what we bring. Practicing genocide is what